Welcome to this beginner-friendly explainer on visualizing epidemic curves in R. An epidemic curve, often called an epicurve, is a graph that shows how the number of cases changes over time. It's one of the most important tools in epidemiology because it helps us understand the progression of an outbreak. In this video, we will explore how R makes it easy for beginners to create clean and informative epidemic curves. We begin with case data that includes dates and the number of cases recorded on each date. Once the data is loaded into R, the next step is to transform the date column into the correct format. This helps R plot the information accurately. Using packages like ggplot, we can create a simple plot with the date on the x-axis and the number of cases on the y-axis. A line or bar graph is typically used to display the epidemic curve. The shape of the curve reveals important information. A steep upward curve shows rapid spread, while a slower rise indicates controlled transmission. A peak in the curve signals the maximum number of new cases occurring at one point in time. As the curve begins to drop, it shows the epidemic slowing down. R allows beginners to add labels, titles, and colors to make the graph easier to interpret and present. We can also compare multiple waves or different regions by layering multiple epidemic curves on the same graph. This helps researchers understand how outbreaks differ in timing and intensity. R also supports smoothing techniques, which help remove noise and present a cleaner pattern. This is useful when data is messy or highly variable. Visualizing epidemic curves is essential because it helps health workers, policymakers, and the public understand what stage an outbreak is in. R makes the process simple, flexible, and visually appealing. By mastering epidemic curve visualization, you can communicate complex outbreak patterns with clarity. In summary, epidemic curves created in R help us track, compare, and understand outbreaks. Thank you for watching.